Very good morning, student. In this class, we will discuss about our next topic is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Okay. After the basic idea of the algebraic expression, we will discuss about that. Our next topic is addition, how to add and subtract the algebraic expression. Okay. See, student, it's very easy. We have to give under there two methods. In your textbook, you have to give under two methods. I will explain these two methods. You have to, as you wish, you have to use which method. Okay, जो आपको easy लगे you have to use them. Okay, then see here. For example, 6ax plus 11by plus 7cz. By using this example, I will explain the addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Understand, student? Now, 6ax plus 11by plus 17cz plus 15 is added to which expression? 8ax minus 8cz plus 30. Understand? So, see here, student. This randomly what is taking there are two methods. See, first method we have to arrange this time. This all the given expression we have to arrange row wise. Row wise means what? 6 8. It is a like term is what? 8x. So you have to mention that. Okay. इसके नीचे ही like term आनी है. जो like term उसके नीचे ही like term आनी चाहिए. Okay. See here how to arrange. This ax plus 11by plus 17cz plus 50. Okay, so second 8x. What is the like term of this 8x? It's a 6x. So we have to mention here 8ax. Then 8cz. Okay, so where is the 8cz? We have to give on the like term of the 11by. No. So इसमें कुछ भी नहीं लिखना. Okay. Then what is that? 8cz. It is a like term is what? 17cz. So we have to mention with their sign 8cz. Understand, student? Now, constant 30. All of it, what is that? Constant. First expression 50. Second expression is the 30. So you have to mention. Understand, student? Then now solve. Give the sign. Okay. Now, my students see. 6. First you have to write down the first expression. Then second expression 8ax. We have to. What is the like term of the 8x? Is the 6x. So we have to. This 8ax we have to written in the below of the this given like term. Okay, that next 17cz we have to mention minus 8cz. Okay, 15 plus 30 we have to mention this types of row wise. Okay, first we have to arrange this all the expression separated by this all the terms according to the row wise. Understand? After we have to solve. How to solve this, students? See, I will explain again. 6 plus 6ax plus 8ax. What is that? 6 plus 8 is a 14ax. That's okay. Next 11by. Here is a anyone term? No. So we have to as it is right here 11by. Understand? Plus 11by. Next we have to give on the 17cz minus 8cz. What is that? Plus minus. First we have to sort out their sign. Plus minus minus. Then 17 minus 8 is what? 9. Minus greater number sign is what? Plus. So you have to mention the 9cz. And 15 plus 30 is what? Plus 28. This is the answer of this expression. This time, so we have to add the two expressions. This is the first method. Now second method. What is the second method? We have to write down as it is 6ax plus 11by plus 70cz plus 15. Then we have to this first expression we have to add the second 8ax minus 8cz plus 30. Okay. Now separated their like term. Okay. जिसकी like term है उसको separate करो. 6ax उसको पास में लेके आओ. Like term collected to like term. 6ax. What is the like term of 6ax? Plus 8ax. Then 11 plus 11by. There is no like term, so write as it is plus 70cz. What is that? Its like term is what? Minus 8cz. And last one is their constant 15 plus 30. Now we have to solve 6ax plus 8x 14x plus 11by. Right as it is. Now plus 17 minus 8 it's what? 9cz plus last one is what? 28. 15 plus 30 is 20. That is the answer. These types of we have to solve the algebraic addition of the algebraic expression. Okay, now how to solve the subtraction? Subtraction also the very easy. Okay. This type of we have to solve addition and subtraction of a algebraic. We have to start the exercise. Okay. By using this exercise, you have to properly understand the addition and subtraction. Okay. So after you have to given the addition and subtraction exercise 5.1. Addition and subtraction by using a two method. So I think first method is little confusing in the first method. So you have to use the second method. This means in the second method, you have to very easily solve their sign and also their like and unlike term and addition and subtraction. Okay. So I think you have to use the second method. Okay. Question number first. What is that? Add the following. We have to given this number of expression. We have to add on. Then first expression. First question is what? I will explain the question number first. A 6x plus 4y minus 3z. Second 7x minus 11y minus 9z. Next third expression 14x plus 8y minus 6z. How many expressions you have to given? 3 expressions. Understand, student? So first you have to put their sign. What you have to do in this question? Addition. So you have to firstly put their sign. 6x plus 4y minus 3z plus 7x minus 11y minus 9z plus third expression 14x plus 8y minus 6. Okay. Now after next step is what? First you have to put the sign after the correcting the like term. Separated their like term. So 6x. What is that? 7x plus 7x. Then another one is what? Plus 14x. Okay. Now 4y is a like term. 4y minus 11y and plus 8y. So we have to collect it. 4y minus 11y plus 8y. Okay. Now last minus 3z. What is that? Minus 3z minus 9z. Same variable term. Minus 6z. So I am writing here minus 3z minus 9z and last is minus 6z. Okay. Now we have to solve out. What is it? 6x plus 7x plus 14. 6 plus properly step by step we have to solve. Okay, definitely you have to get the answer. 6 plus 7. What is that? 30. 30 plus 14. It's what? 27. 27x. Okay, x is the common. Na? Another way we have to solve out. तुमको थोड़ा सा confused लग रहा है. So 6 plus we have to firstly separate their constant coefficient. 6 plus 7 plus 14. And write a variable x. This type of also we have to solve. Okay, no problem. Then 27x. Then now solve this next term. 4y minus 11y. How much? 4y minus 11y minus 7y minus 7y plus 8y minus 7y. See, minus 7y plus 8y. Minus plus minus. And what is that? It's a 8 minus 7 कितने थे? 1 is the y greater than 0. So what is that? Plus y. Okay. Now next minus 3z minus 9z minus plus 9 plus 3. What? 12. Then what is that? Minus 12z and minus 6z. Again minus plus 12 plus 6 is what? Minus 18z. Greater number sign is what? What is the answer? Minus 18z. This is the answer of this algebraic expression. This type of we have to step by step solve the given question. Understand, student? So remaining question it is for the homework. You have to try. Okay, and most of the question I will solve on the page. Okay, I will send to you. Understand, student? Okay. Next question. Subtract. Okay. So first question. 12x minus 7y minus 15z from. Okay, all of you know that what is the meaning of from? From 17x plus 8y minus 15z. Okay. So when you have to given that these types of question, given the expression in front of from के सामने जो भी term expression given है, first you have to mention first one. वो पहले लिखना है. ओके क्या करना है इसमें से सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन में से ये फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन क्या करना है माइनस करना है. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस फ्रॉम. अंडरस्टैंड. सो हाउ टू अरेंज 17x plus 8y minus 15z minus which expression was subtracted? 12x plus 7y minus 15. Okay, students, after you are arranging this, next step, first you have to multiply this minus sign of this expression. Okay, means when you have to multiply this minus sign, means after you have to solve the next step, you have to getting the easily आंसर. ओके, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं जाएगा. व्हेन यू हैव टू यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हो उसको माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई, या तो यहाँ पे भी साइन चेंज कर सकते हो. बट फर्स्टली यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द साइन, देन यू हैव टू स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू हैव टू प्रॉपर्ली सॉल्व. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? ओके, सो हाउ टू सॉल्व 17x. हमेशा याद रखना, कोई भी सब्ट्रैक्शन की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हो, सो जो माइनस का साइन रहता है उसको सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन माइनस के साइन के सामने जो एक्सप्रेशन रहता है उसको मल्टीप्लाई, उसके साइन चेंज कर देना, उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना. ओके, देन मतलब कभी आप आगे जाके उसको भूल गए तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अंडरस्टैंड? देन 17x प्लस 8y माइनस 15z माइनस 12x, देन हियर इज व्हाट? माइनस प्लस माइनस 7y minus minus plus 50. Okay, then now again our previous method, addition method, collect their separated their like term. Then 17x, what is that? Minus 12x. Next plus 8y, 8y is a like term, minus 7y. Okay, minus 15z is the like term, 15z. Okay, now after solve 17x minus 12 is what? 5x. 8y minus 7y. 8 minus 7 is 1. It's what? 1y ऐसे लिखते हैं. Okay, only 1. Then what is the coefficient of this one? 1. Then minus 15 minus 15z plus 15z. It's what? 0. So minus 0 is what is the actual answer? 5x plus 1 is the answer. This types of we have to subtract. क्या याद रखना है subtraction? What you have to remember in the subtraction? You have to multiply their sign. Okay, first you have to arrange. Okay, this type of we have to given the from. कोई भी subtraction equation में from there, then first you have to arrange and then multiply and solve. Understand, student? Okay. Remaining question you have to try. Understand? Next question number third, student. What is that you have to give us here? I will read this question. What must be subtracted from? What must be subtracted from? 9a square minus 17ab minus 3b square a minus 10 to get 7a square plus 18ab minus 9b square a plus 50. Means which number you have to subtract it from the given is expression to get the answer. We have to find out the in this question subtracted number. So when you have to find out the subtracted number, you know about the subtracted number? No. So we have to consider that the subtracted number you got mentioned. Let subtracted number be x. What you have to consider? X. Capital X you have to, capital X, small x you have to consider. Understand? Then when you have to in this question you have to given that the variable a and b, so you have to use the x. When you have to given the variable x, then you have to use the another letter also. Then what is the expression? So we have to this statement, the given statement you have to write in a properly equation. Okay, so किसमें से subtraction करना है? See which equation? 9a square. See here 9a square. First you have to arrange 9a square minus 17ab minus 3b square a minus 10 minus what? X is subtracted from this equation to get the, to get means what is equal to what you are getting here? 7x square minus 8 plus 18ab minus 9b square a plus 15. See here student, what I am writing here, question is what? Which number is subtracted from this expression? Which expression? 9a square minus 17ab minus 3b square a minus 10 minus x. To get the answer is what? 7a square plus 18ab minus 9b square a plus 50. Okay, how to solve? So we have to want the value of x. So this expression It is a which side? LHS side. It is a LHS side. This expression we have to transfer this side, and x is we have to transfer this side. Okay. So what? 9a square minus 17ab minus 3b square a minus 10. When you have to, this expression you have to transfer. Then what? Plus. Sorry, not plus, minus. The other side is plus, then minus 7a square. After transferring, then 80ab minus 9b square a plus 15 is equal to what? Is equal to, when the minus x is transferred as side, so what? It is a x. Understand, student? Now solve out. You have to use the method of subtraction and solve out. Then 9a square minus 70ab minus 3b square a minus 10 minus multiply 7a square minus 18ab minus, sorry, minus plus 9b square a minus 50. Okay. Now is equal to x. Is equal to x. Okay. There is a no space you have to, but in your notebook you have to mention the is equal to x here. Okay. Then after that, collect the like term 9a square. Can I solve the directly 9a square? 9a square is a like term minus 7a square. What is that? 9a square. 9 minus 7 is what? 2a square. So that's why I am writing here the 2a square. It is a 2a square. Okay. Now next, minus 7ab minus 8ab minus plus how much? 18 plus 17, 35. Written number sign is what? Minus 35ab. Okay. Minus 3b square a and plus 9b square a. How much? Minus plus minus. 9 minus 3, 6 plus 6. And what is that? B square a. Now last, minus 10 minus 50. How much? Minus plus. It's what? Minus 25 is equal to x. So what is the value of the x? Therefore the x is equal to x. Hence, we have subtract numbers we are taking here. So we are taking subtract expression. Not expression, we have to subtract the equation. So this subtract expression have to be the x. Okay, don't write their number. Now, lastly, what you mention here? Hence, 2a square minus 35ab plus 6b square a minus 25 is subtracted from 9a square minus 17ab minus 3b square a minus 10 minus 10 to get the 17a square plus 18ab minus 9b square a plus 50. Okay, this type we have to mention the hence. Understand, student? Okay, all of you understand how to solve this question? It's very easy question. Okay, first we have to arrange properly. Okay. Now student, question number 4. What you have to give in the question number 4? See here, the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter you have to give. What is that? 16x square plus 14x square minus 9 plus 50. Okay. Perimeter you have to give. If two sides are given, what is that? 7x square, 7x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 3. And another side is what? 4x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 7. You have to give in this question perimeter and two sides. Find the third side. We have to, all of you know that the triangle, how many sides? 3 sides. So we have to give the perimeter and also the two sides you have to give find the third side. Okay, it's very simple question. When you have to read this question, you have to understand how to solve this question. We have to give the two sides. First we have to add these two sides. This two sides sum is subtracted from perimeter. You have to get into the third side. It's very easy question. Okay, so first we have to find out the perimeter. You have to give sum of two sides. Sum of two sides. First we have to find their sum. Okay, student. So which two sides you have to give? 70. Mention here. 70x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 3 plus 4x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 7. Okay, now find the sum. What is that? There is a like term 7x क्यूब इज द लाइक टर्म 4x क्यूब। ठीक है, मतलब तुमको आदत पड़ जाती है अभी लाइक टर्म कलेक्ट करना, सॉल्व करना, अभी उसको डायरेक्टली सॉल्व करने के लिए सॉल्व कर किया तो चलेगा। 7 + 4 इट्स अबाउट 11x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर इट्स अबाउट 4x स्क्वायर। 2x minus 5x minus minus plus minus 7x plus 7 plus 3 10. This is the sum. Now what you have to do? Perimeter. This sum is separated from the perimeter. You have to give it the third side. Find out the third side. Then third side. Third side of triangle is equal to perimeter minus sum of two sides. Okay, sum of two sides. Okay. Then what is the perimeter itself? Perimeter is what? 16x cube plus 40x square minus 9x plus 50 minus what is the sum? 11x cube plus 4x square minus 7x plus 10. Okay. Use the method of subtraction and solve out. 16x cube plus 14x square minus 9x plus 50 minus 11x cube minus plus minus 4x square minus plus 7x minus 10. Okay, is equal to 16x cube minus what is the like term of 16 minus 11x cube. What is that? 16 minus 11 5x cube plus 14x square minus 4 x square is the right term. 14x square minus 4x it's what? 10x square. 9 is minus 9x plus 7x minus 2x plus 50 minus 10 it's what? Plus 5. This is the third side. Means third side is what? What is that? 5x square, sorry 5x cube plus 10x square minus 2x plus 5. This is the answer of this equation. Sorry, answer of this question. Understand? This time so we have to solve the question number 4. Okay? You have to properly note down in your notebook. Okay? So student, question number 5th. What is the question number 5th? You have to give on the two adjacent sides of a rectangle. Minus 6p cube plus 7p p square q square plus 11p cube and 7p square q square second side plus 4p square plus 9p cube. Two adjacent sides you have to give. Find its perimeter. Okay, you have to use the formula of perimeter of rectangle 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. You have to use and solve it. So perimeter of rectangle formula. Perimeter of rectangle. Everyone know that formula. Perimeter of rectangle is what is the formula? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay, you have to know that the length, it is the length and this is the breadth. So put the value. 2 multiplied. First we have to put the value length. Minus 6p cube plus 7p square p square q square plus 11p cube plus what is the breadth? P square q square plus 4p square plus 9p cube. Okay, now first we have to add this in a rectangle. You have to give under these two adjacent. So it is the length and this is the breadth. Okay, so is equal to completely solve this two expression. Okay, minus 6p. Where is the like term? P minus 6p cube. Minus 6p cube is the like term. There is no like term, so we have to write down answer is 6p cube. Okay, plus 7p square q square. Yes, 7p square q square. What is the 7 plus 7? 14p square q square. Now 11p cube, 9p cube. Okay, but before that we have to given the one term is what? P 4p square. It is also the known like term, so we have to mention 4p square plus 11 plus 9 20p cube. Okay, now okay, what is all this add these two expression. Now multiply by 2. This expression is multiply by 2. So 2 multiplied by minus 6 is what? Minus 12 p cube plus 14 2s are 28 p square q square plus 4 2s are 8 p square plus 2 2s are 20 2s are 40 p cube. This is the answer. Okay. So what is the perimeter? Therefore, perimeter of this expression, perimeter of this rectangle is equal to minus 12 p cube plus 28 p square q square plus 8 p square plus 40 p cube. This is the answer. This is the answer of this question. Understand? This types of you have to solve. This when you have to, according to this question, you have to solve the example. Okay. Now see your question number 7. Okay. Question number, first you have to take a question number 7, then question number 6. And student, question number 8 and 9. Question number 8 and 9, it is for the homework. Okay. What is the homework? Question number 8 and 9. You have to try. Then question number 7, you have to given the A. Value of the A is over 5x plus 11y minus 15z. Written different question. B is the 12x minus 13y plus 9z. C is the 7x minus 6y plus 21z. We have to find the, we have to given some equation you have to give it. Find the value of the A plus B plus C. Another way we have to given the second is the A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. Third is the A plus B minus C. Next D is a twice A plus twice B plus twice plus C. Twice A plus thrice B plus C. You have to find out. Okay. Then how to solve these types of questions? See your student. A plus B plus C. You have to know the value of the A, B, C. So arrange this type. What is the value of A plus B plus C? How to find out? A plus B plus C is equal to, what is the value of A? 5x plus 11y minus 15z. Then plus 12x minus 13y plus 19z plus, what is the value of C? 7x minus 6y plus 21z. Understand? Now, all of you know that how to solve this question. Collect 5x plus 12x. How much 5x plus 12 is correct? Firstly, 5x plus 12x. Then another 7x. Then y. 11y minus 13y. 11y minus 13y. Then after the minus 6y. After that the minus. Then collect the like term of the z. Then minus 15z. Minus 15z is a like term. Plus 19z. After that plus 21z. Now we have to add this 5x plus 12x plus 7x. How much student? 5x, 5 plus 12 is what? 17. 17 plus 7 is what? How much? It's a 24. Okay. Then we have to solve the x term. Then after that the 11x minus 13y. What is that? It's a plus minus. Then a 13 minus 11 is what? Minus 2y. Minus 2y. Okay. 13 minus 11 is what? 2. And the greater number sign is what? Minus 2y. Then after that minus 2y. Okay. Minus 2y. Then minus 6y. How much? Minus minus plus. This is the minus 8y. Okay. Now z. Minus 15z plus 19. Minus 15 plus 19. Minus plus minus. 19 minus 15 is a 4z. 4z plus 21 plus 25z. So value of A plus B plus C is equal to, therefore 24x minus 8y plus 25z. This is the answer. These types of we have to solve the remaining questions. Understand, student? Understand? These types of we have to solve. Remaining question you have to try. Okay. Then which one is homework? Question number 8 and 9. So what you do? This video properly, and those I will give to the homework you have to solve in your notebook. And remaining question जो भी मैंने तुमको explain नहीं किया Okay, I will send to you the pictures of this question. Understand? Thank you so much.